Hey everyone, RoDev here, and today this is just a really quick fix video for the bug in the last video. Well, I wouldn't really say bug, but it's just a feature I forgot to record. So basically I recorded the last video twice, and in the second one I was trying to make sure everything I did in the first one I show you guys in the next one, or in that one, but basically I forgot one thing, and that was making the storage button work. So yeah, here's the fix for that. Just come down into your UI handler script. That's going to be started UI, main UI, UI handler, and then you want to scroll down to storage, and make sure you have this in here. So storage button, dot mouse button one click, colon, connect, function, and then you want to do script dot parent dot parent dot frames dot upgrade storage dot visible equals true. So script dot parent dot parent dot frames dot upgrade storage dot visible down here equals true. And after that, the closing will be done by the close button. So other than that, yeah, it should all work. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and part A will be coming out very soon. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.